Hey everyone, and welcome back to a brand new video. I'm going to be sharing with you an item that I purchased over a year ago, and I did unbox it. I didn't film it, but I unboxed it, and then I was so overwhelmed with editing and filming and what to post, and I never really got to post this. So I believe I reboxed it and put it back in the bag. So we'll do like a bit of an unboxing together. When did I purchase this? Oh gosh. Yeah, this was last year. It's from the Cruise collection, 22C. So I purchased this early last year, and ironically, Jacob from Super Jacob, if you don't follow him already, he also has this piece. And I remember I was discussing with him, I'm like, oh my gosh, like, I just saw this piece in boutique and I was almost going to buy it, and I didn't. And then I went back and I purchased it after I saw that he had purchased it as well. So I'll go over my rationale. This is, I believe it's considered a small leather good, if not if it's jewelry. Gosh, is it jewelry? I don't know if it counts as jewelry, but the thing is it may be a small leather good because it is leather, but it falls in the jewelry category. And I'll show you. So it comes in a box like this, and it has an authenticity card. So it is considered a small leather good because this is what the tag says. Right there, okay? So it's a small leather good, comes with an authenticity card. That's when the small leather goods still did come. So it has a chain here, dust bag. Here it is. It is a lipstick case. And I've seen lipstick cases done in different, like they had ones with like rhinestones and everything on it, but this is the leather version. They had two in the boutique. They had this color, they had black, and then they also had red. And I honestly, when I saw it and I saw what the price was, I was actually quite impressed because the 5cc motif classic pearl necklace that they always have is more expensive than this, and there's a lot more thought and craftsmanship that's involved in this piece, that I was like, okay, this is kind of like a small leather good. It's kind of funky, unexpected, because a lot of the things that they have where they're special edition sort of pieces, they're really like they're overpriced, like they're like over $3,000 really. And this is less than the price of that necklace. And you can wear it as a necklace, right? You can wear it as a necklace. Now, I wish I had posted this video earlier because, as you guys may already know, my husband and I are expecting our first baby. So I have put on some weight, and plus I have a belly in the way. But I was actually able to, and I would have demonstrated this last year. if I'd posted the footage on time. I don't know if I can find footage of me doing this, but I actually could loop this around my waist and make it into a belt, and I'd have this overhang, and I could have like tied a ribbon here to kind of keep it like this, or you can add those like bag strap shortening chains. I don't think that's necessary, or you can just like knot it. Okay, so if you did like a knot, and then like, well, while it's on you, so I could actually wear this as a little belt with the lipstick holder. Now I'm going to sort of take you through it. If you haven't seen Jacob's video, he does like a really great in-depth analysis, and it's so funny because I saw this in boutique and I was like very close to purchasing it, and then I got like the push over the edge, and like the I guess the okay to get it when I saw that he got it. It's really beautifully made. So it has like this click closure, and then you open it, there's a little mirror inside, and it's all lined in leather. You have the little sticker on the inside that gives you the serial code. And it is interesting. Now, you don't have to necessarily use this for a lipstick, but it is shaped and designed for their lipsticks. At the top, it's got like a CC. I haven't taken the sticker off, obviously, but it's got like a CC there. But it's stunning. Now, I'm going to just demonstrate. So I have the lip balm. This was given as a gift to me, so this is my first time trying their lip balm. And this fits in there. And you close it, so you can have your little lip balm. Now, there are different lipsticks. I even have like a liquid lipstick. Let me see if I have it with me. This, let me take a look. I've got it in my purse. I have, yeah. So I don't have a lot of their lipsticks from Chanel, but there are a few that I'm starting to like. This is the Rouge Allure Ink, so their liquid lipstick in 176 Warm Beige. I'm wearing it right now, so it's like a very nice like nude, like kind of like a lip stain but liquid lipstick that sets, but it doesn't feel like hard and cracky. So I actually really like this color. It's a really nice color for South Asian skin tones. So this fits in there. Like it fits. I really like that. Like, I mean, imagine having your handbag and then having this like hang. It's just like a little, to me, even though it's a small leather good, it just, to me, it was like costume jewelry, okay? Because of the price point. It's like you're wearing a necklace or a belt with your handbag, and it's just like something unexpected and really, really, just like a novelty item, right? That nobody would really expect you to be carrying. And I really do love it. So yes, I can't wear it as a belt right now. I mean, gosh, let me try. I was able to. Well, no, probably not. But actually, oh, hold on. Okay. So now I don't have to tie it off. But let me just show you. Yeah, I can do like a little, it's nice for like my maternity muumuus that I'm wearing to give it a little bit of definition. But when I was skinnier and my ribs weren't expanded, I was able, I swear, I was skinnier, guys. Look, I swear. I was able to wear it as a belt and then tie off. Gosh. And I thought I was fat then. But anyway, I'm not going to be hard on myself, okay? But I was able to wear it as a belt, okay? Or if you want to, you could creatively just kind of have it looped around the belt loop of your pants or something like that. There's different ways that you could wear it, and of course as a necklace. And yeah, so that is my very late unboxing of this beautiful piece. I'm going to share with you the item code. Or, well, actually the price of what it was. So this was $16.25 Canadian at the time. This is last year. I know there has been aggressive price increases, so maybe if they come out with this again, it might be more. But to put in perspective, at that time, the 5cc motif necklace with the pearls and the CC pendants was $1,800 Canadian, and then you add tax on top. So here you're getting like so much more bang for your buck. Like there's so much more thought put into the construction of the lipstick holder that it definitely is a really nice piece to have. So yes, I'll put in the item code as well, and it's from 22C, the Cruise collection, and they may have they've come out with like other editions of this, but bedazzled, so that really does bring up the price a lot. And this is in lambskin leather, so really stunning. You can kind of like loop it around your hand as well, and kind of, you know, walk around like this. This is actually quite nice to wear like this. if you wanted to. And you have easy access, you know, to your lipstick, and you have a little mirror inside so you can touch up your lipstick. It's a really special piece, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and it gives you some inspiration if you ever see... I gotta take this off first, hold on. Probably shouldn't have done this. I probably shouldn't have done this. I swear, it was so much easier to take off before. Oh God. What am I doing? So I got my arms out. It was a really funny sight. I thought I might need to have my husband help me. But here it is. So you can wear it. This is a necklace on me. Now, I do find that it kind of twirls. Like, it kind of does this. But I'm sure, like, you can remedy that by flipping it around. Or, like, you don't really need to see, like, the logo. But that's how it looks as a necklace. That's where it falls. Of course, I've got my belly out here, but that's where it falls. And, yeah, really stunning. All right, let me know what you think of this piece. Really, really happy to have it in my collection and to finally show it to you guys, because it's been in the box for a while now. But I'm really excited to share this with you guys and show it to you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.